to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like my video and its content, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I have made a face because I finally got my box by Fashionsta. I think the last box we got was in February. And Fashionsta, they bill you at the beginning of the month, but you don't get it to the end of the month. So this is the March box, and it's June. And they did say they were having troubles shipping. And I think they get their products from out of the country. So between that and the shipping, we finally got our box. And when they said they were shipping it, I did ask what month it was for. And she did say that it was for our March box. So let's get into it. Now, I do like the Fashionsta box. So the only issues I was having with them was, again, they bill you at the beginning of the month, but you don't get it to the end of the month. So it comes very nicely wrapped, and there is a card in here, which is nice because, you know, BoxyCharm, they don't give you cards anymore. And it does tell you everything that's in the box, and there is a note in here that they are starting up their boxes again, and that they decided that they're not going to do the June box. Again, this is the March box, so I'm not sure what's going on with April and May, but they're not going to do the June box, and they're going to start with the July box. So, yeah, but we do have our March box. So let's see what's in here. I started this subscription, I think, pretty much when it started. I was maybe a month behind when it started. So I pay, I want to say like $19. So if you start it now, I believe it's like $24.99 or something, but it'll all be listed below. And they usually do like 5 to 7 full-size products in there, and it's mostly skincare. So if you're into skincare, this is the box for you. So the first thing is Double Dare 2-in-1 Soothing Mask Kit. So there's a step 1 for soothing microfiber towelette, and super hydrating soothing mask for step 2. So that's kind of nice. There's a step 1 and a step 2, and it tells you how to use that. And let's see what our card says. The Jet 2-in-1 Soothing Mask Kit retails for $9, and it's got cactus fruit and rose hip. So it will keep your skin rejuvenated, hydrated, and shield against harmful environmental stress. So we all need that in our lives right now. And the next thing is in this cute little container. And don't know what it is. I can't read it. Oh, it says I love me. And Emily Alexandra. And I'll have to open it to see what's in it. Oh, it's in a pretty, ooh. Can you see that? It's almost like a rose gold. Must be lipstick. I Love Me is the name of it. And I don't want to ruin it. Ooh. It is a lipstick, but it is way too dark for my skin. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, so the video got cut off. I apologize. So yeah, this is the color, And again, it's a little too dark, so I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm sure there's somebody else who would love this color and would look a lot better. Ooh, there's some writing on the front. So it's beautiful packaging. So we will put this to the side, and the lipstick retails for $18. It's vegan and cruelty-free, ocean-friendly, water-resistant, and it has sunscreen ingredients. I'm just gonna put this over to the side. So it was beautiful, and it was actually looked very creamy. So I'm just sorry it didn't come in a lighter color. The next thing is by Shivani Beauty, and this is a primer oil. And look at the packaging. I'm going to use this because I'm almost out of mine. Doesn't really have much of a smell, but it's kind of a light consistency. Beautiful, beautiful bottle. And let's read up on this. It's kind of a nice thing that it's a combination primer and an oil. And let's see where this is. The Shivani Beauty, a multi-purpose hybrid formula that is both a primer and a beauty oil. Fast absorbing and lightweight properties assist in delivering firmer, plumper, and more youthful looking skin. Oh, I can use that. For a hydrated, radiant, and flawless complexion. Vegan, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. There we go. Oh, and that retails for $54. And hello, hand sanitizer. And this is the OMG hand sanitizer gel, and it meets the CDC's requirements of 60% ethanol alcohol, and it retails for $5.50. A cute little hand on there. So there we go. Then we have the Clean and Calm Cucumber and Blue Lotus. Clean and Calm Cucumber and Blue Lotus Water. And let's see what it looks like. It's all packaged up, so I'm not going to open it or smell it. But it is very watery-like. And we'll set that to the side. And gently and effectively cleanse your skin of oils, makeup, and other impurities with this one-step complexion brightening solution. Can be used as a toner or one-step cleanser. No need to rinse. Cruelty-free, sulfate, paraben-free. You don't need to rinse it off. Oh, and that retails for $16. And the last item is a palette. And this is by Alejandro Desi. And this is the beautiful woman on the back. Nice size palette. It's velvet, so you can sit there and feel it. Ooh. Black that has a mirror. Has a lot of sparkle to it. Now, there are colors I would use, but there's a lot more that I wouldn't use. I think sparkles and glitter must be in because a lot of our palettes do have them. Yeah, there's probably, I like this color right here. Let's see if we can see that. And the mattes I would use, but a lot of them I wouldn't use. That's just my preference, but it's a really nice palette. As I think one of the last boxes I got, they had a lot of sparkles and glitter in it too. So I don't know if that's just the look for the season because it's summer and people want to spark. But yeah, I just can't get away with that. And let's check that out. And the eyeshadow palette retails for $38. So it says it has 15 shades. There are 8 intensely pigmented mattes that blend like a dream, 3 ultra dazzling diamond shimmers, 1 dynamic duo chrome shade, and 3 creamy shimmers. Cruelty-free, vegan, allergy tested. So it's a great palette. So we got 6 items we received in this box, and it retailed for $140.50. So again, it's a great box. It does heavily do skincare, but they do throw in some makeup products in there. So I will leave a link below. Definitely something to try out if you like the combination of skincare and makeup. And I really like the fact that they put the hand sanitizer in there, because we all know how hard it is to get a hand sanitizer. So let me know in the comments below what you thought of this box. Again, they obviously aren't going to go back and do an April, May, and June box. There's, so they're going to come out with the July box, so I can't wait to get that. And thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me, and have an awesome day.